Across the country, underpaid teachers commonly look to bring in an extra $6,000 to $8,000 each year just to make ends meet. In fact, the National Center for Education Statistics reports that more than half of kindergarten through 12th grade teachers look to bring in extra income from sources beyond their base salary. I'm Elizabeth Yarnell, founder of Digistars Make a Movie Workshop, and since 2010, we have taught thousands of elementary and middle school students across the Denver metro area how to write, produce, and edit their own short animated movies. Now, this popular program is available, convenient, and accessible everywhere. It includes a step-by-step instruction guide and course materials so that a teacher can start making money today. It's a turnkey operation that can bring in a couple $1,000s each semester through after-school enrichment programs and up to $5,000 a week for summer camp. With more than 100 sample movies and custom-made instructional videos, plus a supportive online community, this can be an amusing, uncomplicated, and lucrative side hustle. Digistars enables teachers to do the thing they love, which is working with kids, while leading an irresistible program that brings in money on the side for them. Kids love it, parents love it, and teachers love it because they get to have fun making movies while making money.